Hello everyone, welcome to Advantech IoT Academy. I'm Austin, the product manager of AMAX-3110. In this section, I will further introduce how AMAX-3110 benefits users in motion control. The standalone motion controller provides users a more cost-effective and high-performance solution. You can learn more about the key features of AMAX-3110 in the course. We will also have a look at the architecture, the software environment, and some application stories of AMAX-3110. If you are curious about Advantech standalone motion controller, welcome to take this course with me. Looking forward to seeing you at the IoT Academy. Thank you.